Factors and multiples. Multiples. The numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 are obtained when we multiply 2 by the numbers 1, 2, 6. So, all these numbers are multiples of 2. Look at this number line and count in 2. These numbers are multiples of 2. Multiples of a number are obtained by multiplying that number with any counting numbers. For example, look at the multiples of 5. These numbers are the multiples of 5. Likewise, these numbers are the multiples of 3. And these numbers are multiples of 4. Here the multiples 12 and 24 are common to both 3 and 4. Multiples which are common to 2 or more numbers are known as their common multiples. The smallest common multiple of the given numbers is known as the least common multiple of those numbers. Here, the least common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. Factors. Let us understand the term factors using arrays. Arav has 12 toy cars. He wants to arrange them in different ways to form equal groups such that no toy cars are left out. He arranges the toy cars in 2 different ways. 2 groups having 6 toy cars in each group. The mathematical statement is for this arrangement is written like this. 6 groups with 2 toy cars in each group. The mathematical statement for this arrangement is written like this. He arranges the toy cars in 2 more different ways. 4 groups with 3 toy cars in each group, and 3 groups with 4 toy cars in each group. If he arranges 5 toy cars in one group, then 2 will be left out. So, he cannot group them equally. He can also group the toy cars as one group of 12 toy cars and 12 groups of one toy car. Therefore, the number 12 can be represented as 1 into 12 or 12 into 1, 2 into 6 or 6 into 2, 3 into 4 or 4 into 3. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 when multiplied to different numbers gives the result as 12. Also, if we divide 12 by these numbers, we get the remainder 0. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. A number is said to be a factor of another number only when the number divides the other number completely without leaving any remainder. Look at this multiplication sentence. The numbers 6 and 2 are called the factors and 12 is called the multiple. Let us find the factors using the division method. 12 leaves 0 remainder when divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Thus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are factors of 12. 12 when divided by 5 leaves 2 as remainder. Thus, 5 is not a factor of 12. Common factors. Factors that are common to 2 or more numbers are known as their common factors. Find the common factors of 24 and 16. List the multipliers and multiplicands of the product 24. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. List the multipliers and multiplicands of the product 16. Thus, the common factors of 24 and 16 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Properties of multiples and factors. Property 1. Every number is a multiple of itself. For example, 7 into 1 is equal to 7, 6 into 1 is equal to 6, and so on. Property 2. If a number is expressed as a product of its two factors, then the number is a multiple of both the factors. For example, 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Therefore, 5 and 3 are factors for 15, and 15 is a multiple of both 5 and 3. Property 3. There are infinite multiples of a number. For example, multiples for 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on. Properties of factors. Property 4. 1 is a factor of every number. For example, 13 divided by 1 gives 0 as remainder, so 1 is a factor of 13. Property 5. Every natural number is a factor of itself. For example, 17 divided by 17 gives 0 as remainder, so 17 is a factor of itself. Property 6. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. For example, the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Property 7. The smallest factor of a number is 1. For example, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Here, the smallest factor is 1. Property 8. The biggest factor of a number is the number itself. In this example, the biggest factor is 12. Property 9. A number has a limited number of factors. For example, the factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7, and 14. These are only 4 factors of 14. Prime and composite numbers. The numbers which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are called the prime numbers. The numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. For example, factors of 3 are 1 and 3, factors of 7 are 1 and 7, factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So, 3 and 7 are the prime numbers as their factors are 1 and the number itself. Whereas, 6 is a composite number as it has more than two factors. Divisibility rules of 2, 5, and 10. A number is said to be divisible by 2 if it has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 digits in its ones place. For example, 14, 42, 86, 110 and 238 are divisible by 2. A number is said to be divisible by 5 if it has 0 or 5 at its ones place. For example, 235 and 350 are divisible by 5. A number is said to be divisible by 10 if it has 0 at its ones place. For example, 160, 280, and 430 are divisible by 10. Prime factorization. Prime factorization is a method to find the prime factors of a given number. There are two methods to find out the prime factors: division method and factor tree method. For example, find out the prime factors for 12. Under the prime factorization method, we divide the number by prime numbers until we get the quotient equal to 1. Step 1. Divide 12 by 2. We get quotient equals 6 and remainder equals 0. Step 2. Divide 6 by 2. We get quotient equals 3 and remainder equals 0. Step 3. Divide 3 by 3. we get quotient equals 1 and remainder equals 0. Thus, 2 and 3 are the prime factors of 12. Factor tree method. It is a method to break down a number into its prime factors. There can be more than a one-factor tree for a number. One is not found in a factor tree since every number has 1 as its factor. Let us find out factors of 20 using the factor tree method. We see that the numbers in the last row of the factor trees are all the same prime numbers, that is, 2, 2, and 5. So, 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Thus, the prime factors of 20 are 2 and 5. Co-prime, twin prime, and perfect numbers. Any two numbers having no common factors other than 1 are referred to as coprime numbers. For example, factors of 11 are 1 and 11 factors of 13 are 1 and 13. Thus, 1 is the only common factor between them. So, 11 and 13 are coprime numbers. Twin primes are two prime numbers that differ by 2. 11 and 13 are twin prime numbers as both are prime numbers and the difference between them is 2. Perfect numbers are those numbers whose factors, excluding the number itself, adds up to form the number itself. For example, 6 has factors 1, 2, 3, and 6. The sum of factors, excluding the number itself, is 6. So, 6 is a perfect number.